magpapasikat ngayon, eh kahapon na nakipag-showdown sa isang contestant natin.
Yes, totoo yan. Kaya tignan naman natin kung anong ipapakita niya sa atin ngayon.
Kaya ba't the people? Ano sasabihin natin sa kanila?
Hoy! 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 Hoy!
Magpasikat, magpasikat. Dito sa showtime, lahat tayo ay sikat. Magpasikat, magpasikat. Dito sa showtime, lahat tayo ay sikat. Magpasikat.
Please welcome the super cute Bugoy!
Let's get ready to rumble!
Keep prepared for the battle, 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 battle. Prepare for the battle. Keep prepared for the battle. Keep prepared for the battle. Keep prepared.
Wrong track. Let's get to the real thing.
Even if the sky is falling down, just let it be. Come on, bring your body next to me. I'll take you away. Hey. Turn this place into our private getaway. So leave it behind, 'cause we have a night to get away.
Young King Daily.
So come on and fly with me as we make our great escape. So why don't you run away? Don't worry, you are my only. You won't be lonely, even if the sky is falling down. You'll be my only. No need to worry, baby. Are you down, 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 down? Baby, are you down, 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 down? You down, even if the sky is falling.
I got a million ways to get it. Choose one. Choose one. Hey, bring it back, bring it back. Now double your money and make it stack. On to the next one. On to the next. On to the next one. On to the next. On to the next one. On to the next. On to the next one. On to the next. Hold up.
Welcome po natin, Bugoy, with the city, guys. Alam niyo po, Madlang People, alam niyo, si Bugoy po, ang unang commercial niya, kasama ko siya sa Selecta, 3-in-1 plus 1. Ayun ang kanyang unang commercial. Doon na-discover si Bugoy. Bugoy, makahiga naman sa Madlang People natin.
Hello, madlang people.
Alam mo, pwede mong anak si Bugoy.
Pwede ka bang
Oo, pwede
Alam mo,
kayong mag-ama.
Kanina may ginawa siya sa camera eh.
Oh,
May ginawa siya. Kunyari yun si Ann Curtis.
Oh, yun.
Yung ending ng song mo, gawin mo nga. Gawin mo rin sa camera. Ayan. Okay.
Yung ending mo kanina.
Oh, ha? Tsaka alam mo, gusto ko kay Bugoy, yung,
Hadukin
ano yung
lang,
kanta niya, yung sumikat na sobra, yung Paano na Kaya, ang galing niyang kantayin yung Paano na Kaya. Hindi siya yun! Di ba? Ibang Bugoy yun! Ibang Bugoy ba yun? Pero again, Madlang People, palakpakan natin, Bugoy! At ang winning group for today, malalaman natin yan sa babalik ng Your Show